creamy and delicious no-bake dulce de leche cheesecake. Or you can call it no-bake caramel cheesecake. Let's make it. Bismillah. You will need can of dulce de leche. Or you can replace it with same amount of caramel sauce. Exact amount of ingredients are listed in the end of the video. And this is how I make dulce de leche at home. 1 can of condensed milk. In a cooking pot, fill the water and submerge the condensed milk can into it. Cover the pot and cook on medium to low flame for 2 hours. In 10 minutes packaging will come out. Remove that and continue cooking. After 2 hours, turn off the heat and let it cool down completely, at least 4 to 5 hours. And dulce de leche is ready. In a mixing bowl, add room temperatures cream cheese. Whole can of dulce de leche, room temperatures. I kept out 2 tablespoons for garnishing. Whisk till smooth. You can use electric or hand whisk, whatever is easier for you. Slowly add cold heavy whipping cream. Whisk till thickened. Consistency will be like this. It will get thicker after refrigeration. Add this to piping bag. You can also spoon down this whipped mixture to serving bowls without using piping bag. Crush the graham crackers or chocolate chip cookies into crumbs. I didn't add anything additional. This is how I'm serving. Adding some bite-sized chocolates, optional. You can also add sprinkles or whatever you prefer. Keep it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours before serving. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share, and comment below. Note the ingredients. Ingredients: 8 to 10 graham crackers or chocolate chip cookies, 14 ounces of condensed milk, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of cold heavy whipping cream. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.